Chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this day is the most important day. All of us, because on the day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Lokmanya Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bhagat Singh, Ashfaq Khan, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Maulana Mukarram Azad, and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom rises and our brave soldiers fight continuously on border to protect our country. Friends, we all know that the nation is perfect. It needs to be made perfect. I am very proud to be an Indian.